do you meditate? Do you sit cross-legged on the floor? Do you lie down? Do you prefer to stand up? Better yet, do you prefer to walk? Hi there, my name is Kelly, and today I'm just going over a few postures or positions that you can use during meditation. And I decided to go over this just because very recently I released a video where I go over the myths about meditation. One of the myths is that they believe that you need it, in order for you to meditate, you need to be seated cross-legged on the floor or the ground, when in reality you don't need it to be that rigid. So I decided just to show you some ideas and some postures that you can use in your everyday life to take the most out of a meditation practice. So let's get started. The first position, it's the most commonly known, the seated position. The seated position that you can be cross-legged or not, so you can use the lotus position, cross-legged lotus position, or you can have your legs straight in front of you, nothing major. So while you're seated on the floor, on the ground, you can lean, if you prefer, you can lean against a wall, a couch, a bed, anywhere. If you need, in case you need to support your spine. But the key here is for you to keep your spine long, tall, and balanced. So in other words, a straight spine back. But you can use a cushion. Again, you can use a cushion to protect and support your back. Or also you can lie down, and this is a very comfy position. The only danger here is that you fall asleep. Just kidding. But yeah, it's a very comfortable position, and I know a lot of practitioners that use this position, especially when they are doing the body scan or the progressive meditation. But you can actually use it in any type of meditation. It's completely up to you. In terms of your hands, feel free to rest your arms and your palms anywhere that feels comfortable for you. Although a lot of times when we are sitting cross-legged, we use different mudras that we can go in with different fingers, depending on what you want to accomplish. There is a different meaning for each one of those. Now, especially if you lie down, I usually recommend that you keep your hands, your palms up. But it's just me. It's just because when we are meditating, there is energy running through our bodies. So this way you are open to give energy and receive energy. But this is just me. And then I see a lot of, especially yoga teachers that also recommend that as well. Another posture that you can use if you sit in a chair, I recommend that you keep your feet planted or grounded on the floor. That's because when you ground your feet on the floor, you're really centering yourself. You work on your root chakra. The root chakra, that is the first center of our body, and it is responsible for our sense of survival and safety. So this is a way of grounding, centering yourself, grounding your feet on the floor. But also, I recommend another good one is that the child's pose. A child's pose, it's a very common resting position in yoga. And by the way, it's a very soothing one. So if you never try, I strongly recommend you do it. So the child's pose, you can use the narrow leg child's pose or with extended arms, but your forehead or your third eye, it's basically on the floor, on the mat. Another position that you can use is the Tadasana, another yoga position, common yoga position, that you stand up, feet ground on the floor, spine is straight and long, and then your eyes are closed, and then you just take in the moment, breathe in and breathe out nice and deeply. And also you can use some other yoga postures such as the warrior one or warrior two. Those are very good ones that are good positions for meditate and work on your chakra. So I guess that's off the top of my head, that's what I have for today. But in case I missed any position and you would like to contribute to suggest, so feel free to put in the comments. Other than that, I hope to see you next time.